thank you for the question. Yes, in 1822, the Protestant church on Aruba was founded. Of course, they came with the Dutch on Aruba. So it was a bit of a government church, but with all the government people, also idealists, true believing people in Jesus Christ, thought it was a good idea to start a church. And they started a church here by on this place, on the Arends family place, in the center of Oranjestad. And when the church grew and grew and grew, and it was not only church, but it was also education, because Protestants believed Jesus, you can read about the story in the Bible, so you need to read. With Protestantism, also organized schools started on Aruba. Well, what happened? The church grew and grew and grew. Today we have 4 locations where we celebrate the love of Jesus Christ. We do that in 3 different languages: English, Papiamento, and in Dutch. And you can say this is truly a church of integration, the way Jesus meant it. We are all children of God. Yes, we have a wonderful program to celebrate 200 years Protestant Church on Aruba. We will have Saturday evening, December 10th, an evening with wonderful pictures of Aruba, the Protestant churches, the buildings on Aruba from 1900. It's from a special book just rediscovered from the Koninklijk Archief Den Haag, with 32 pictures, wonderful 4K quality about life in those days. But also we will have a story of Leon Bereños. He will talk about the important families that founded this church on Aruba. And we will have Wim Schelling, who will tell something about the buildings on Aruba, the Protestant churches.
But now we can go forward with a new energy, with new strength, with new hope, knowing that the message didn't change. That the Lord Jesus Christ didn't change, that God didn't change, and that His vision, His love for us didn't change either. So we can go forward knowing God will keep loving us. We can go forward knowing that He will always be there for us. He will not forget us, He will not leave us, He will not forsake us. He will be with us until the end of the world.